Our planet is a place of constant change, a dynamic stage where landforms shift and evolve over eons. We often think of these changes as gradual, almost imperceptible to the human eye. But sometimes the Earth reveals its raw power in dramatic, fleeting events. Such was the case in the landlocked Caspian Sea, where a mysterious island appeared as if from thin air, only to vanish again months later. This ghost island, as it came to be known, was no mere trick of the light. It was captured in stunning detail by the watchful eyes of NASA's Earth-observing satellites, leaving scientists both baffled and intrigued. The story of the ghost island began in early 2023, when NASA's Landsat 8 and 9 satellites detected an unusual formation in the shallow waters off the coast of Azerbaijan. There, amidst the familiar turquoise expanse, a dark, irregular shape emerged. An island where none had been before. The island, initially just a small mound, grew rapidly in size over the following weeks, eventually reaching an area of several hundred square meters. Its sudden appearance sparked a flurry of scientific curiosity, with researchers eager to understand the forces at play beneath the Caspian surface. The lifespan of the ghost island, while brief in geological terms, provided a captivating glimpse into the powerful forces that shape our planet. Over the spring and summer of 2023, the island continued to grow, its dark, sediment-rich shores a stark contrast to the surrounding waters. Scientists analyzing satellite imagery and data determined that the island was not formed from shifting sands or coastal erosion, but rather from a much more dramatic process, a submarine mud volcano eruption. Mud volcanoes, unlike their fiery counterparts, spew out a slurry of mud, water, and gas, often triggered by tectonic activity deep beneath the Earth's crust. In the case of the Caspian Ghost Island, a particularly large eruption had ejected vast quantities of this muddy mixture onto the seabed, gradually building up a mound that eventually breached the surface. But just as quickly as it had appeared, the island began to disappear. By late 2024, less than 2 years after its emergence, the relentless forces of erosion had taken their toll. Waves, currents, and the natural settling of the mud slowly wore the island down, until finally, it slipped back beneath the waves, leaving barely a trace of its existence. The emergence and disappearance of the ghost island, while dramatic, was not entirely unprecedented in the Caspian Sea. The culprit behind this ephemeral landmass was identified as the Kumani Bank, an active mud volcano field located off the coast of Azerbaijan. Kumani Bank, known for its history of underwater eruptions, had produced similar, albeit smaller islands in the past. These temporary islands, often lasting only a few months, were a testament to the region's geological volatility. Records indicate that Kumani Bank has been active for centuries. Its first recorded eruption, dating back to 1861, also resulted in the formation of a short-lived island. Since then, scientists have documented numerous eruptions, some more powerful than others, each leaving its own mark on the surrounding seabed. The 2023 eruption, however, was notable for both its size and the clarity with which it was observed, thanks to advancements in satellite technology. This provided a unique opportunity for scientists to study the life cycle of these ephemeral islands and gain insights into the processes that drive mud volcano activity. Section 4. Tectonic Tango, a recipe for islands. To understand why the Caspian Sea is prone to such dramatic geological events, we need to delve deep beneath its surface, into the Earth's constantly shifting tectonic plates. The Caspian Sea sits atop a complex tectonic zone, where the Arabian and Eurasian plates collide in a slow-motion dance that has shaped the region's landscape over millions of years. This ongoing collision generates immense pressure and heat, creating a hotbed of geological activity. Mud volcanoes, like the ones found in the Caspian Sea, are a direct consequence of this tectonic tango. As the Arabian plate pushes northward into the Eurasian plate, it forces layers of sediment and rock to buckle, fold, and sometimes even fracture. This creates pathways for trapped gas, water, and mud to escape from deep within the Earth's crust, erupting onto the seabed and occasionally even breaching the surface to form temporary islands. Section 5. Secrets from the Deep. The ephemeral nature of the Caspian Ghost Island might make it seem like a mere geological curiosity, but its scientific significance is far greater than its short lifespan might suggest. These temporary landmasses provide valuable insights into the composition and behavior of the Earth's subsurface, acting as windows into a world hidden beneath kilometers of rock and water. By studying the mud and gas ejected by mud volcanoes, scientists can gain a better understanding of the geological processes occurring deep beneath the seabed. Moreover, the study of mud volcanoes can help scientists piece together the history of the Caspian Sea itself. The sediment layers deposited by these eruptions contain a treasure trove of information about past environments, climate change, and even the evolution of life in the region. By analyzing these layers, researchers can gain insights into the Caspian Sea's ancient past, revealing how it has changed over millennia. Section 6. The Sleeping Giants. While mud volcanoes might seem like relatively benign geological features compared to their explosive volcanic cousins, they are not without their potential hazards. The sudden release of large volumes of mud, gas, and water can pose significant risks to both infrastructure and the environment. In offshore settings like the Caspian Sea, mud volcano eruptions can damage underwater pipelines, communication cables, and even disrupt shipping lanes. The release of methane, a potent greenhouse gas during mud volcano eruptions, also raises concerns about their potential impact on climate change. While the amount of methane released by individual eruptions might be small compared to other sources, the cumulative effect of numerous mud volcanoes, particularly in regions like the Caspian Sea, could contribute to global warming. Understanding the frequency and magnitude of these eruptions is therefore crucial for assessing their long-term environmental impact. Section 7. A Universe of Mysteries. The brief appearance and disappearance of the Ghost Island in the Caspian Sea serve as a potent reminder of the dynamic nature of our planet. It highlights the power of Earth's internal forces to reshape landscapes, even if those changes are fleeting. While the island itself may be gone, its legacy lives on, in the data collected, the questions raised, and the enduring fascination it sparked in scientists and the public alike. As we continue to explore the vastness of our planet, both above and below the waves, we are sure to encounter more such mysteries, fleeting glimpses into the hidden workings of our world. These events, far from being mere anomalies, offer invaluable opportunities to deepen our understanding of Earth's complex systems and appreciate the delicate balance that sustains life on this ever-changing planet. The Caspian Ghost Island, though gone, will continue to inspire research and exploration for years to come, reminding us that the greatest discoveries often lie hidden in the most unexpected places.